A stack of medical bills is one of the most stressful piles of paper a household deals with, confusing and rarely matching the explanation of benefits the insurer sent for the same care. This is the Medical Bill Review and Appeals Organizer, one file you own to line the paperwork up and see what's actually owed. Everything starts with the Bill and EOB Log. For each bill, you enter what was billed, what your insurer allowed and paid, what the EOB says is your responsibility, and what the bill actually charged you. The tracker works out the difference and flags any bill where you were charged more than you owe, the most common, most catchable billing error. Ask the billing office for an itemized bill, then work down the review checklist, duplicate charges, services you didn't receive, upcoding, out-of-network surprises. Mark what you find, and each one becomes a point for your appeal or a call to the billing office. A denied claim is not the end of the conversation. On the Claims and Denials tab, you track each denial, its reason, and its appeal deadline, which the tracker counts down. So you file before the window closes even while you're still gathering records. A missed deadline is the most common way a winnable appeal is lost. The Appeals and Correspondence tab is a dated record of every call, letter, and portal message. Who you reached, the reference number, and what was agreed. When you can say, on this date your representative confirmed this, you're no longer arguing from memory. That trail is what wins appeals. The dashboard brings it together. The potential overcharge to question, the bills flagged to review, open denials, and any appeal deadline coming up. It's the money most worth a phone call, pulled live from the other tabs. It's an illustrative figure from what you enter, not a determination you're owed it. A medical billing app holds your records on its servers, often for a fee. This is the owned middle ground, structure you keep private to you. It stores no logins or member ID numbers. It's an organizer, not medical, billing, or insurance advice. Buy once, and it's yours. Find it at Ardent Workshop.